Santa Fe 2-liter. Code for intake camshaft position sensor P0340, and also for the turbo boost. Found that I would lose a square wave on the scope from my cam sensor because I am losing the sensor ground, which is the pink wire that goes over here to the ECM pin 47, and that connection is pretty bad. So alright, so right now I have a square signal. That's coming from the cam sensor, but the sensor ground, I'm losing that at the ECM. So let me get this in a position here. We can look at it. Okay, I'm going to come over here, move this harness a little bit. I'm going to move that wiring inside of here. I'm going to shake it, okay? And then you can see the square wave. And that's just simply by wiggling this. Okay, so we're back on this. Hyundai Santa Fe, and this morning. So the only way to fix this is to buy a new engine harness, and they want like $1,200 for it, and it's like, wow, you know. So what we can do until they get a harness is I thought, well, let's see here, we can go here to pin 46 and 47 of the ECM, share the same sensor ground, so to see whether or not they're bridged, you can go to the computer and actually put the 2 ohm meter on 46 and 47 to see if you got resistance, or if it's open or if it's connected, and it looks like we're connected. So they're bridged inside the ECM. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to short the 2 wires together. We're just getting a bad contact on pin 47. So if I run pin 47 and just short these 2 together here, they're bridged inside the ECM, so it doesn't really matter. It's going to be bridged anyway. So I'm just going to bridge it outside the ECM, and I'm going to just jump a wire from 47 to 46 here, and that should take care of the problem. Actually, it shouldn't have any issues after that. And I suppose probably the best thing to do is to pop it off here and bridge it inside that harness. Or I could just run a wire, you know, from one extreme all the way to the other. I think it's easier just to go here and do it. And since they share the same ground anyway inside the ECM, what difference does it make if it's on the outside of the ECM? I am at the wire here. This is a pink wire, and there's a white and black right here. Can't really see the black, it's there, white and black. those two I need to bridge, 46 and 47. If you come up here, I got ground, and it's white and black, sensor ground, and that is for the exhaust side. And then for the intake side, I have pink right there, and it's ground. So I'm going to jumper these two together, join them together right here, and we're going to check the signal, make sure that we can keep a consistent square wave coming from bank one. I mean, from an intake. Of course, it's a 4-cylinder, bank one, but the intake camshaft sensor, we need to make sure that we can keep a consistent square wave. Okay, so got these two bridged, then I taped it. Now let's just see if I wiggle this connector here. I guess if it'll stay consistent, and it should. And that's really, really good. It's not dropping out like it was. Yeah, that's a good fix. Yeah, I'm wiggling right now. I'm moving it around real good, shaking it, tap it. No matter what, I got a good consistent. Yeah, that's awesome.
Craig, want to see what happened?
Yeah, just a second here. I'm just recording a video. So I fixed this thing. Starts right up. No more long crank.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, you know what I did? Is I bridged the 46 and 47, the sensor ground. So they inside the ECM. Well, there's inside the ECM here. Mm-hmm. There's 46 and 47. They go together, and it's for the sensor ground for the camshafts.
Oh, for both cams.
Yeah, but if you 46 and 47 are right next to each other right there. So I put an ohm meter on the ECM.
Oh.
And
using its ground.
And inside the ECM is bridged. So I have a ground anyway. They're jumpered anyway inside the ECM. What's the difference if I jumper it outside the ECM? So what I did is I just ran a wire from one to the other. Actually, I didn't even run a wire. I just soldered the two together.
Nice.
Yep. Yeah, worked out good.
Yeah.
Got a good consistent signal. Problem's fixed.
Yeah.
Cheaper than $1,200 harness. You know?
Yeah.
All right. Guys want to be in my video?
Yeah.
Yeah? Hi, Dave.
What's up, Craig?
I'll miss you, man.
I'll miss you.
Yeah. Scott.
You'll be back.
Yeah, maybe. Chance we take, I guess.
Yep.
Nothing ventured, nothing gained, right?
That's right.
right.
Don't take risk. You never know.
The greater the risk, the greater the outcome.
I hope it works out that way. Or the greater the fall.
Well, that's what I mean.
Yeah. Yep. All right, let me go look at your situation.
Oh, yeah.
So all in all, we're looking at taking care of these codes. So what I did is port connection at 47 to the respective terminal. Pin 46 and 47 is internally bridged together. I verified that by. Yeah, what's up?
Do you want something to drink? Or you got something?
No, I got something.
Yeah.
Thanks, man. And so the ohms across 46 and 47 is 0. That means that it's bridged internally. So I took 46 and 47, and the wires that's coming out of that, I put a solder between the two wires, bridged them together. So now the fix is bridging the cam sensor grounds together externally, and now it's working. It's good. As far as the other part with the wastegate, should be 30.9 to 4.1. It's currently 4.8. Wrong information here, no big deal, but at idle it should be open. Got to be able to breathe. So here's adjusted to 4 volts, and should be good. And I took it out for a drive. And everything was good. Scan tool reading, voltage, everything's good. It's all back up and running. So now I'm going through the rest of the list and checking the AC and checking it over. All right. Thank you.